Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever wished for a mascara that combines bold volume, length, and comfort in one go, you're in for a treat today. I've been testing the NARS Climax Mascara, and let me tell you, if you're looking for a formula that delivers stunning, flirty lashes without the wait, you'll want to stick around for this review. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a review from us. So let's get into it. The NARS Climax Mascara promises to add both volume and length to your lashes, with a buildable formula that leaves them feeling soft, never heavy or stiff. Sounds great, right? It's designed with a lightweight, flexible formula that won't clump or smudge, making it ideal for all-day wear. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. In terms of key features, this mascara delivers buildable intensity, so you can layer it on for as much drama as you want, without the dreaded clumping. The formula is enriched with ingredients that work to keep your lashes looking healthy while adding that perfect balance of length and volume. The result? Lashes that feel soft and natural to the touch. No stiff or crunchy lashes here. When I first tried it, the application was smooth, and I loved how easily it separated my lashes. There was no tugging or pulling, just a soft, creamy consistency that glided on. The brush, designed to grab every lash, really does live up to its promises, giving even the tiniest of lashes a lift. I found that with a couple of coats, my lashes looked dramatically longer, and the volume was definitely there. What I especially appreciated was that I could build up the intensity, but it didn't clump. I could go for a more natural look for day-to-day wear, or layer it up for a dramatic night-out vibe. Now, let's talk about the longevity. One of my biggest pet peeves with mascaras is smudging. I'm happy to report that NARS Climax holds up beautifully through the day. No raccoon eyes here. Even after several hours, my lashes stayed just as voluminous, and there was no sign of smudging or flaking. Plus, it didn't feel heavy at all. My lashes remained soft throughout the day. But of course, no product is perfect. While I love how it builds and holds, I did notice that removing it at night took a little more effort than other mascaras. It's not a huge issue, but definitely something to keep in mind if you're in a rush. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. This mascara provides quality performance, longevity, and comfort without sacrificing results. When you compare it to other high-end mascaras, it definitely stands out in terms of buildable volume and lash softness. Yes, it's a little on the pricier side, but if you want a reliable mascara that delivers drama without compromising lash health, it's a solid investment. If you're someone who's been struggling with finding a mascara that won't leave your lashes stiff or clumpy, NARS Climax might just be your new best friend. It's perfect for anyone who wants volume, length, and a natural feel. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are some alternatives out there that perform similarly, like Maybelline's Lash Sensational, which gives a similar effect for a fraction of the price. In terms of customer service, NARS is known for its reliable support. While I didn't personally need to reach out, the brand generally receives high marks for responsiveness and handling customer concerns effectively. Before we wrap up, if this review has helped you make a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so more beauty lovers like yourself can discover honest reviews just like this one. And if you're ready to grab the NARS Climax Mascara, the link is in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this mascara, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know if it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.